hurt or kidnapped. That our rivers were clean as can ever be, and dropping a piece of food in the river was no fuss. Simply scoop it out and pretend nothing happened. I hear that our markets were amazing, smells of freshly baked food, voices of salesmen trying to get customers' attention, and beautiful dresses newly sewn just waiting to be tried on to find an owner.
My grandparents tell me that our farms and orchards were so big that they used to hide behind big orange trees, running and playing with their friends, and that their neighbours were so much fun, playing together in the hot summers near rivers, and that family was everyone. Grandmother says you could say hi to strangers walking down the streets and receive a smile and hello back. Grandfather tells me that school was fun, learning our language and playing with his friends at break. There was not a care in the world they had. They tell me that our life was perfect. We lived in peace.
But now it's all gone. Gone. That's all gone. Where is the freedom and protection they tell me about? Now I see soldiers marching down the street, making sure you have nightmares when you sleep. Now, their clean rivers are gone. They're as dirty as can ever be. Now, their markets are gone. Their farms and orchards are all gone. I was told that in the beginning they were good. They brought us the modern world and updated us, giving away money, helping us. But then there was a day that no one will ever forget. Armies with tanks and guns taking over. Too many of soldiers taking over us until people around the world forgot. Until people around the world forgot. Until you forgot. Forgot us, forgot my country, forgot my people, forgot Uyghurs. Forget me. Forget how our land once used to be. Left us alone, to fend ourselves. Left everything to be far away memory. Never to be remembered again, never to remember our peace again, and never to be reminded of us again. But that might change.
We protest and rally together, and people just drive past us with their thumbs up. Is that all you can do? Can you not help our country? Our country that is now dirty, filled with disgusting people who hid us from the world. Sometimes I wonder when we will get our country back. And when we do, will our country ever be the same? Will we ever be the same? Will I be able to drink from our once clean rivers? Will I be able to smell fresh food and hear shouts from salesmen in the markets? Will I be able to run in farms and orchards without a care in the world? Will I be able to experience the same things? Will my generation know how our country was before they came? I sit and I wonder when the people stand to sleep. Do they know? As they drive past, do they know? Can they hear our shouts? Do they understand my tears? Maybe not. And if they don't, I will show them. Show them the past and present. I wish I had a teleporter, then it would be easy. But all I do is stand by, with tears streaming down my face. And sometimes I realize I may be thinking the impossible, and I do not know what to do. As they might not believe, a young girl who did not experience, regardless of the scars she understands. But just wait and see, and then you will believe that one day my country will be free.